Hi, Dennis. Is Power BI enough to land a job as a data analyst, or are there other skills required? Power BI is a very good start. I would tell you that Power BI is a good tool, but you're still going to need some soft skills to go with that. So for example, I was just talking about how in school, the assignment gives you the project idea, right? So that falls under what I call the creativity required in data science. So Ezra, what you would need in your type of approach is you got the tools of Power BI, but what are you going to do with them, right? No one's going to direct you to what the dashboard should look like or what the insights are or how to do things. They're going to tell you, okay, well, go to it and let us know what you find. And now you have to respond, right? So I would encourage you, Ezra, to think about working on your creativity and how you're going to use the data. Like, what does it mean for you to have a table of transaction data? What else can you do with it, right? You're gonna have to develop those thinking skills to be able to say, okay, well, I got this data. What's the best way to display this? Or we got these tables, but what's the insight that I can draw from them, right? Because your stakeholders they don't want you to just regurgitate the data and make it look pretty.